Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Knitcrate. I reached out to Knitcrate and asked if I could review their products, and in return they sent me a coupon code to try out their subscription service for the next 3 months. So of course, all the opinions and thoughts in this video are completely my own, and I am not being paid for this review. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I will share with you a coupon code that you can get some money off of your first month subscription. So let's jump right in. So what exactly is Knitcrate? Knitcrate is a yarn subscription box. A lot of yarn companies have some sort of subscription box or a monthly yarn club, and Knitcrate is no different. Knitcrate is a yarn subscription box that you can set up once, and every month you get a new special treat in the mail. You don't have to worry about reordering every month as your subscription automatically renews. However, you can always cancel your subscription at any time if you're unhappy. There are a few different membership options that you could choose from. You can do the Knitcrate membership, which is what I'm going to show you here today. And this includes every month you'll get at least one or two skeins of exclusive premium yarn ranging from DK weight to bulky weight yarn. There's 4 color vibes that you could choose from, and they are Energize Me, All Natural, Chill Out, or Anything Goes. The exact shade of the yarn, however, and the yarn base is always going to be a monthly surprise. Then the next membership is the Sock Crate membership, and this is designed specifically for those who love making socks. You'll get 1 skein of exclusive premium sock weight yarn, and you'll also choose from the same 4 color vibes, and the exact shade and yarn base remains a monthly surprise. Finally, you have the partner crates. Currently, Knitcrate is partnering with Malabrigo and Mrs. Crosby yarns, and these are quarterly membership crates with specific yarn dyers. All of the crates that I mentioned come with a pattern booklet that comes with 3+ crochet and knit patterns to go along with the yarn. They're high quality curated patterns specifically designed for that month's crate and not available anywhere else. And you also get a little extra something. And this can vary by month, but sometimes it could be a stitch marker or a measuring tape or something like that. Now you may be wondering how much the membership costs. Monthly subscription boxes can vary in prices. For Knitcrate, a membership box is $24.99 US, and that also includes shipping and handling. And unlike a lot of other subscription boxes, this also includes international shipping. So if you pay $24.99 for a subscription box, that's free shipping and handling all over the world, which I think is great. So like I mentioned, the Knitcrate membership is $24.99. The Sock Crate membership is $19.95. If you want to do a Knitcrate 3-month gift plan, this is $74.95. This is a great option if you want to try the subscription service out for a few months to see how you like it without worrying about forgetting to cancel. You could do the Malabrigo quarterly partner crate, which is $45, as well as the Mrs. Crosby Travels partner crate, which is $69.99. Now, if you've never used premium yarn before, you might think that $24.99 for a couple of skeins of yarn is crazy. Trust me, premium hand-dyed yarn of this quality is usually double plus shipping. For the Knitcrate membership, the total box is estimated to be around $63. So if we break that down, you'll get 2 skeins of yarn, which is about $26 per skein. You get 3 patterns, which I'm kind of estimating around $3 per skein. So it's $52 for 2 skeins of yarn, $9 for 3 patterns, which is a total cost of around $63. There's a few things to love about Knitcrate. I get to discover new yarns each month on different yarn bases, weights, and colors that I might not have picked out for myself. I also get to discover new pattern designers each month. I love that I could choose my color vibe but still get a surprise each month. And if you don't like surprises, Knitcrate actually sends out a link to to a reveal video where you're able to see the color options and change your settings before your crate ships out. They also have amazing customer service. I found them to be extremely helpful and are quick to respond back. And to me, this shows they actually care about their customers and want to make them happy. They also collaborate with smaller designers and indie dyers by helping them get their name out, coaching them, and paying them honestly. Who wouldn't want to support a small business? Now, of course, nothing in life is perfect, so there are a few flaws with Knitcrate, but of course, these will vary from person to person. While you do get to choose what color vibe you like best, you don't get to choose the exact color yarn you receive. This is completely random, so if you get a color you don't like, this can be a little disappointing. Or if you don't like surprises at all, maybe a subscription box is not for you. So if you go on the reveal video and you see, say, a pink yarn, a white yarn, and a yellow yarn, and you really want that pink yarn, but you end up getting that white yarn, again, it's all completely random, so you don't really know what you're getting. And also you have crochet and knit patterns included with your subscription box. These patterns are clearly written and easy to follow. They're completely designed for advanced beginners, which is wonderful because it's not too hard, but it's not too easy either. However, the patterns may not always be your cup of tea, which is completely fine. You could always use the yarn for another project that you have in mind. So now let's take a look at my first Knitcrate box. So my first Knitcrate box is the February 2021 box, and this is my first time receiving it. I've heard a lot about this yarn subscription, so I knew I wanted to give it a try, and I was happy to receive my box in the mail and can't wait to dig in and see what kind of goodies I received. Let's go ahead and open up this. So as soon as you open it up, you see on the box itself, it says, "I'm ready for my close-up." So if you snap a photo, you get a chance to win 3 free months of the Knitcrate if you post it to Ravelry, Instagram, or Facebook by using their hashtag unravelyourknitcrate. So I thought that was pretty cool right off the bat. You have this pretty tissue paper. So if you pull back the tissue paper, we'll take a look at this first. This is the little booklet that you get. Now, if you get the box like I did, you'll get the booklet. If you get the eco-friendly packaging, you will just get a postcard with a QR code on it, and all the patterns will be on that Q card. Now, the theme for February is unwind, and I really liked the theme of this a lot. It was very tranquil and just kind of like low-key vibes. So I really like this. So this is one of the patterns that they have in here. And like I said, if you do that QR code, then you can have the patterns. They do a tree planting project. And then they give a little bit of the details about the yarn. So the membership crate, you have this, and then the sock crate, you have different yarn. And they talk about the different yarns right here. So if you have the sock yarns, it's estimated to be about $30 each, and you receive 1 skein in your crate. And then for the membership yarns, this one in particular is actually $28, and you receive 2 skeins of the same color in your crate. And then it kind of just talks about the different colors that you have right here. And then it gives you the pattern. So this is the overnight twist cowl, and this is a crochet pattern. And then they also include 2 sock patterns, 1 knit and 1 crochet. And then they have a knit pattern called the Restful Fingerless Mitts. And then they go into the pattern itself. So this is what the fingerless mitts looks like. And then if we go over to the cowl, here is what the cowl looks like. Here's another picture of the finished product. And then, like I said, you have the 2 sock patterns. And then at the very end, you have a sneak peek at the March theme. So the March theme is called Heartstrings. And then if you look inside the box, you get a fun extra, and the fun extra that I got was this heart-shaped retractable measuring tape. And I really like the quote on the back, which just says, "All you need is yarn," which of course that's all you need. And I like that it's this retractable by just pressing the button. You can never have too many measuring tapes, in my opinion. And finally, we look at the yarn. Now the yarn that I got is from Aldine Wools, and it's the Calm. And if you look on the back, this is called Tranquility, and it's 80% wool, 10% silk, 10% mohair. It's a DK weight yarn. It's 231 yards, or 211 meters, or 100 grams. It's hand washed gently, lay flat to dry. And then for the recommended knitting needle, they recommend US 5 through 7. And then for crochet hook, they recommend a US size 7 through I crochet hook. Now the color that I got is kind of like an olive green color. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but it's very pretty. And I feel like there's just different flecks of the different colors in there. And it's kind of like browns and that green color, of course, and I think even a little hint of a purple. It's super soft and squishy, and I don't feel like it would irritate your skin at all, even for someone like me who has more sensitive skin. It's very soft and cozy, and I would say that it would definitely keep you warm. Now, I don't know if you could tell, but because of the mohair in it, you can see a little bit of the fuzzy sticking out, but again, that does not mean that the yarn is scratchy at all. It's very, very, very soft. So this is a completely random color that I was given. It's probably not a color that I would have chosen for myself if I would have just went on in the store and picked up something, but I really, really ended up liking this color a whole lot, and I can't wait to make something with it. Now, the patterns that were included with this that I showed you, I'm not super crazy with them. I'm still a beginner knitter, so I don't really know if I would ever make those knitting patterns. Now, for the crochet patterns, I feel like I'm not crazy about them. I'm not saying that I hate them, but I'm just saying they're just not my cup of tea, which is completely fine. They're not going to be for everyone, and I've accepted that. But I will definitely find something else to make with this yarn. I'm not exactly sure what I would make yet, so if you have any suggestions, please leave your comment below on what I should make with this beautiful yarn. So overall, while I wasn't absolutely in love with the patterns, I'm very happy with this month's Knitcrate subscription. The quality of the yarn is top notch, and I love the fun extra that they included. I like how you have the different color vibes to choose from, but again, the yarn is completely a surprise, which I'm not really a surprise person, but I really like this a lot. So I have the anything goes color vibe, and it's so hard to choose from all the pretty colors, so that's why I really just wanted to take the guessing out of it and just say anything goes, and whatever I get is what I get. And it looks like, from reading the booklet, if we could take a look real fast, from reading the booklet, I think I got one of the Energize Me. Yes, so I got the Energize Me, and I got Tranquility. So it's bridges with shadow greens of winter with the promise of brighter greens in a spring with subtle tones of blue and a little touch of golden sun that's let us know that warmer days up ahead. So it's Energize Me. So absolutely beautiful. So If you're interested in giving Knitcrate a try, you can use my code AmandaCrochets and you'll receive 20% off your first Knitcrate subscription. Trust me, you will love this subscription service. However, if you decide this yarn subscription isn't for you, you can cancel at any time. So thank you so much for joining me today as I share my thoughts on the Knitcrate yarn subscription with you. I hope you enjoyed my review and consider giving this subscription a try. Again, I have that coupon code in this description box below if you're interested in checking that out and saving 20% off your first Knitcrate subscription. Be sure to check out my other videos as well, and please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos that I put out. Alright everybody, I hope you give this yarn subscription a try, and thank you for joining me today. Happy crocheting!